In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Microsoft Lists image column. If you're managing items in Microsoft Lists and want a clean visual way to represent them, like product photos, team headshots, or logos, the image column is perfect. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to add or edit items in the list and that your list already includes an image column. You'll also want the image file saved on your computer in a common format such as JPG or PNG. Start by opening Microsoft Lists in your browser and navigating to the list where you want to add the image. Once the list is open, you can either create a brand new item or update an existing one. To add a new item, select the New button at the top of the list. If you're updating something that's already there, click the row to select it, then choose Edit so you can modify its details. When the item form is open, look for the field associated with the image column. Depending on how your list was set up, it might simply be named Image, or it could have a custom name. You'll typically see a placeholder thumbnail or a button that says Add an Image. Click Add an Image. Your file picker will open, allowing you to browse your local machine. Select the picture you want to use and confirm. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit image that represents the item accurately. Square images often look neat in list views, but any reasonable aspect ratio will work. Keep the file size modest so the upload is quick and the list loads efficiently. If your organization enforces file type restrictions, stick to standard image formats like JPG and PNG. If you see an option to provide a description or alternative text, go ahead and add that. It helps with accessibility and makes your list more usable for everyone. After you've selected the image and it appears in the preview, finish by clicking Save. This commits your change and returns you to the list view, where you should now see a thumbnail in the image column for that item. If the image doesn't show up right away, give the page a quick refresh. If you run into an error, double check that the column really is the image type and that you have permission to upload files. That's all there is to it. You can always replace or remove the image later by editing the item again. Keeping your images consistent in size and style will make your list look polished and easy to scan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your data with clear visual context.